Hey guys, welcome to another Omnitech video. Today we're going to talk about a very beautiful app called Google Lens. It helps you find literally everything just by pointing the camera at the objects. And that's not limited to that option. It has options to translate directly. You put the phone over a piece of paper or whatever object or product that has text on it, but it's in a language that you don't understand. You just translate it directly on it. We will see in a minute everything that I'm saying explained with these simple objects that I just found around the room. Let's begin. For this demonstration, I will be showing you on this tablet since I find it easier to show in a bigger screen, but I will be recording the screen which will be laid over this video as well. Let's go to Play Store and search for Google Lens. And here's Google Lens, and it's this one here with this logo. We click open, and at this moment you can search. I don't have photos on this tablet, but you can search with your camera. And as we want to search, for example, with this remote, in this case, we know what it is. But in some cases, you see an object that you don't really know what it is, or you want to quickly check something's price. It will give prices from eBay and Amazon and whatever stores are available. Let's try with this controller right here. Let's see what it does. Looking for results. And as you see, it says it's a Sony DualShock 3 for PlayStation 3. And as you see here, shows results for $28, $23, 47, 15, and whatnot. Let's try another object. Let's put a screwdriver, the tiniest screwdriver we can find in the room. And let's click OK on that one. And it finds it right here. That's a gear wrench, quarter by half, slotted screwdriver, whatever. That is the screwdriver, and it shows prices of it as well. Now let's try the double D40. Well, you don't even need to take the whole thing on shot. You click to take the picture, and it shows you exactly that product. Excuse me about the light overhead. I don't really have a better light right now. Maybe when I get monetized, I'll get a better one. But yeah, let's go to Google Lens and let's try the translate that I told you about. Let's open Google Lens again. And when you click switch the camera, and here on the bottom, you have options translate, text, homework, shopping, places, whatever you want. We want to go to translate. Let's take this piece of paper right here. And let's say we want this piece of paper to be in, let's say, Spanish. The language of obviously is going to be detected because it's already in English. But let's go to, I don't know, Spanish probably if I can find it. Is it Espanol or SP? We go to Spanish. We put the camera over it. And as you see, it translates in real time. In real time. And let's put this translator over something else. Right here, we want to translate in Spanish what's written on this bottle. As you see, it starts translating right away. It's really a beautiful and helpful app. A very helpful app. It's very beautiful. Let's see, we want to translate what's here in the Sharpie. We take the Sharpie and we put the camera over it. And tamaño gigante rotulator. Sorry, I'm butchering the Spanish. I don't know Spanish. But yeah, it's so beautiful. Now, let's say you take this piece of paper. I didn't happen to have a better paper with me today, as always. Let me just copy this part of the text. Go to the camera again. We place it over, and we want to copy the text. You take this shot here, and it actually has the text now copied. What happens with this text? You can copy it and send it to someone on message, or you can save it as a document. You can select all, and it's right here. You can copy it to a device, you can listen to it, you can translate it, you can search on Google what it says there. And in this case, we want to listen. For example, if we have the audio up.
Vivitar. We make fun. DBR922 HD Ice. Vivitar. Easy Guide. Read Me First. 2009 to 2021 Sakar International, Inc. All rights reserved. N.
As you see, you can put it on any document and you can make it read it to you on even foreign languages. That's a really powerful app in your hands. In my opinion, you can say whatever you want about Google, but this app is the best thing they've ever made. Let's search the Rubik's Cube, for example. Again, I'm just hooked on this search part so bad. It's just taking my brain for a spin. As you see, it found $23, $25, 18, 15. It's amazing. This app is truly amazing. It's free, and I guess it has homework options, shopping options, places. You can put places when you're either driving or walking in the city. You go to places, open, give it permission to have your location, and it will do like AR, augmented reality, in front of you. I think they implemented that with Google Maps as well, but this time, Google with this is just nailing it in the head when it comes to tech. And one more thing you can do with this beautiful app is actually identify plants. You know how there's so many apps supposedly to identify plants and all that stuff? This app does it better than any of them. It searches the entire Google library to find that plant with articles, with pictures, with places, with stats, and tell you if it's edible, if it's not edible, if it's poisonous, if it's delicious. This app nails every single thing that I ever wanted from technology. And another option you have with this, you can click here, and I don't have photos on this one, but let's say you have a picture that you took a year ago or somebody else took on their phone, but they want to identify what's that object. They can send that photo to you, and you can put that photo on this app, just click, and the app will scan that photo, what it is. Or do you want to translate a document for someone? Let's say the document is in Chinese and you want to translate that to English, what that document says. Well, just either take a picture directly with the camera or load the picture you've taken before to the camera here, and the app will do the rest for you. It's a very beautiful app. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed or found it interesting, please help me with a like or subscribe, whatever you feel like. If you don't feel like doing so, I still thank you for your time and thank you for stopping by. And we'll see you on the next very interesting video that we have a review. Bye.